As you can see on my back, we're planning to start putting the cover or the roof for the church. So right now I'm going to show to you a little bit of the church. I know you are wondering why that really vivid blue color. Canoa, it is in front of the sea, and the corrosion and the rust is really high. This is the same kind of paint that is used for the big vessels. That is gonna stop the corrosion. This paint, it doesn't come in other colors, that's why the blue. We have around 35 people working just in this area because we need to finish in less than 1.5 months.
Aquí vine como montador de estructura en material pesado. Quería un soldador o un montador porque no tenía gente capacitada para esto y me buscaron para el montaje que necesitaba con un acabado de primera.
Yo soy ayudante de herrero. Aquí el trabajo tiene que ser muy correcto, medidas exactas para que no tenga fallas.
What is special about this structure, about this construction, is that all the designs is being designed for an earthquake of 9.0.
Bien hecho el trabajo porque yo no había visto una estructura tan fuerte como esto en una iglesia.
The good thing about all of this process and all of this mess is that the sisters, they are living already at the back in the house. These classrooms are big enough to hold between 25 to 30 kids. The nuns, the sisters, they teach Bible studies. For them, this is a really important area because right now they are using a small chapel and they have all the kids at the same time in the same place, and sometimes it's a little bit messy. You can see how much of a space we have in this area. This is the workshop area. The whole complex is going to be used every time when Suchi bring any kind of medical outreach. That one is going to be for cooking classes, okay? That one over there is going to be for sewing classes. We're going to have a bunch of cabinets here with tables, and in the other area they're going to have the sewing machines. So this is going to be the playground. We're going to have some cobblers around, some gardens. Then we're going to have the playground itself in the middle. We have 60 people working around, okay? But in this area we have between 25 to 30 people.
Cada vez que salimos por ahí a la esquina, la gente comenta que está quedando una buena obra y bonito. Desde abajo se ve muy bonito para acá, da una buena presencia.
La gente está emocionada, esto va a ser lo más espectacular de Canoa.
People thought that once everything was finished, that's it. We leave and that's it. No. After the construction is done, Suchi is gonna be here.